Welcome to my channel Hyderabad the Blues on cricket analysis, sir. This is my second video with respect to the fourth test, which is final test between Australia and India. 19th, I think they are going to come back to. After 19th, they are going to come back to India. So far, as per my observation, Australia is still in a position to take a lead. In the previous video, I said there may be 100 runs, but the way Washington Sundar and Shardul Thakur is playing steadily, I think we need to bat again to chase the total with small lead, whatever the lead if Australia is getting. Now coming back to the importance of the all-rounders in the team, I always said that India's middle order need to be a little bit strong. If you can have better all-rounders, that is good for the team, whether it may be a ODI or test. If you come to test format, definitely we require better middle order, sir. Better middle order. Not to draw the match, at least to see that any possibility of winning the match. That's what I mean to say. That means they should have a technique of scoring faster rate also, and they could able to save the match if necessary arises. That's what my point is. Now coming back to after observing the way Mohammad Shami, Ravindra Jadeja, Ashwin, they got injured very seriously, sir. That's what my observation goes. This is only because of that fast bowling, superior fast bowling attack. These players got injured. That's what I can say. Which reminds me also of my Bodyline series days. The West Indies team was dominating those days, and with all superior fast bowlers used to be on the West Indies and Australian side. With respect to Bodyline series is concerned, those days there was no rules like how many balls we need to bowl with respect to bouncers and all. Dennis Lilly, Wes Hall, Michael Holding, Joel Garner, Thompson, Andy Roberts. These are the familiar names who used to dominate the bowling, world bowling, I can say. Those days, West Indies was one of the superior teams with respect to fast bowling is concerned. Again, Australia also, if I see this series, the way our bowlers got injured, I think they know the places where they can hit the batsmen, at what rate they should bowl. The way Mohammad Shami got injured, we lost one bowler, that everybody knows it. And after that, Jadeja also very badly got injured. That also we have witnessed. Like that, the Australia team is also concentrating on the hitting our useful players. That's what I can say, which reminds me Bodyline series. That's why I'm saying they trained such a way that they should hit the useful players if the necessary arises. That's what hidden fact there in their training camp. That's what I can make out. If you agree with this point, please, sir, do give your response to me. And this match result, as far as I am saying, both teams have got the equal chance, but what is the score? Again, Australia will give as a target to India, while India is batting second time. Depends on that. Right now, I am saying Australia is dominating. Whether Australia will win this match, or we can again, like a third test match, we can draw the match. This is what my point. But my point of Bodyline series, please, if you agree, please do give your comments to me on goodluckprasad@gmail.com, and subscribe my channel Hyderabad Blues on Cricket Analysis, and share these videos among friends. Thank you, sir.